Here's a new 2020 Cadillac CT5. An automotive work of art, an engineered blast of energy, the CT5 is the ultimate power trip. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, active grille shutters, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, leather bucket seats, touring suspension, configurable instrument gauges, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.